Brad Hall here. Today I've got some style tips for you. I've got 10 amazing ideas for some face masks that you can make at home. All of that coming right up. The face mask has been a streetwear staple for a really long time now. I've featured it on multiple episodes of Streetwear Shopping. Now the face mask is becoming a public health staple. It's recommended that everyone wear one. So we are gonna be diving into that face mask today. I've already made a really cool one and it was really simple to do. All I needed, a shirt and 2 rubber bands. Then I just folded it up, got it to a size that would fit over my nose and my mouth. I put the rubber bands on, and then I folded the extra pieces in. So that's how I made mine, and it's right here. It's just a very cool looking face mask. It's also got a lot of layers of fabric, so it really blocks hopefully everything. So this shirt with the rubber bands, that's one way of making your own mask, but while I was making it, I came up with so many more ideas for DIY masks, things that you could make just by going through your closet, and I want to share those ideas with you. I've mocked them up already. This first one uses a very common item, the Carhartt beanie. All you have to do for this one is cut off the top, and then you can just slip it on, and you've got yourself a face mask. Let's move on to this next one. Also very simple. This one just requires a pair of cool, distressed jeans. Everyone's got camo. You can just use some of that camo clothing and easily fashion a face mask. This next one dives into sneakers, and it uses that Travis Scott Nike Air Force One. You can use the lace cover and some laces and attach it to your face. Off-White has obviously been a juggernaut in the streetwear space. All you need, a normal face mask, and then dress it up with some Off-White accessories. I'm very excited about the next few. They're all using Supreme accessories. You can use that shooting sleeve. You could also use the hand warmer or use that catcher's mask, but make sure you cover up those holes. This next idea requires no additional work, and it's a really common item. I'm sure a lot of people have this in their closets. One of the face masks that Kanye wore while touring. So if you have one of those in your closet, that's just a no-brainer. The last idea requires a lot of work, and you're gonna mess up a pair of pants. So make sure you want this look before you commit to it, because it is a commitment. What you're gonna do, take a cool pair of leather pants, everyone's got one of those, and cut it up until you get the perfect face mask. So those are my ideas for some really cool looking face masks. I hope you go ahead and make your own. Make a shirt one if you have a cool shirt like this one. And be safe out there.